Hello guys, Namaste. Today we're gonna talk about how I learn English without any classes or any teachers, all by myself. And how can you do it too? Today we're gonna talk about some tips and some steps that you can follow to learn English all by yourself. And as you know, I learned English in just a year, and I'm not saying that I am like a native in this language, but I have a lot to learn in the way. But I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks that you can follow, and you can achieve the level you want to achieve in this language. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, smash the like button and watch it till the end. So first you need to identify the purpose why you are learning English. You are learning English for academic purpose, for achieving good grades, or you are learning English to travel around the world, or you know pick your favorite university that you want to study. Maybe you want to have a conversation with someone, or maybe like native speaker. And let me tell you what my purpose was to learn English. I have a dream. I want to travel around the world. I want to see the new thing that I haven't in my life. And this was the main purpose why I was learning English. And no matter what is your purpose in learning English, these steps are gonna help you improve your English skills. And the step one is watch what you like, and watch what you like for real, what you are interested in. And if you watch something that you are you wanna watch, you like that watching, it won't make you feel like bored or frustrated, or you won't feel like, yeah, I'm not understanding anything, and I can just watch it. I am feeling sleepy when I'm watching it because I'm not understanding anything. But if you watch something that you like, that you are interested in, you will feel curious. I don't know what she's saying, but I want to learn English to know about this topics that you like to watch. And I used to watch movies because I'm a movie lover, and I used to watch a movie in a day. Can you believe it? And you can watch anything, travel blogs, educational videos, or food blog, or anything that you are into watching. And yeah, the step two would be I used to watch movies, and after I watch a movie, I used to listen some songs, and after that I used to watch some educational videos of the teacher, that they are Lingo Marina, English with Lucy, English with Emma, and they are my favorite teachers. I'm telling you, you can watch them probably. And yeah, you should immerse yourself with English in a day. You should watch a lot of things that your mind will feel, yeah, English is connecting with me. And step three would be I used to watch this kind of the thing that I mentioned, movies, listen to songs and sing along with them, and listen to podcasts, watch travel blogs. And it started to feel like I am understanding some kind of thing a little by little. And you will feel it for sure if you watch like a lot of things in English in a day. Then you will feel like I'm learning, and you will feel like motivated, and I want to learn it further. And the step 4 would be, if you follow these 3 steps that I mentioned earlier, you will feel like you will started thinking in English in step 4. I'm telling you, and you won't feel when you started thinking in English. It will happen to you suddenly and very frequently, and you will think like, oh, what, I started thinking in English, I didn't even realize. It will happen to automatically when you will watch so many kind of things, and you will feel like, yeah, I am knowing, I'm understanding everything little by little. And in this, if you follow the steps, then I'm sure you're gonna think in English without even realizing it. And the step 5 would be, identify the purpose why you want to learn this language. If you're studying it or learning it for academic purpose, for achieving good grades, so you can definitely focus on grammar and vocabulary. You should watch some educational video and some grammar rules, and you can probably read books to boost your vocabulary. And yeah, and you should really immerse yourself in something that you want to do. You want to learn a language, and language learning is not that easy that we think, or not that difficult that we think also. You can definitely learn it with hard work and smart work, and some consistency and some interest. With some interest, you will learn it. You will perfect in this language in no time, I guarantee you. And just watch movies, K-drama and English dub if you like to watch them, and if you don't, then I won't force you. And it, and immerse yourself in this language. Imitate them what they are saying, as even if you are a beginner, it will help you so much with the intonation, and the pronunciation will improve if you if you immerse yourself in this language, and if you shadow a lot, no matter what you are watching movies or podcasts or anything, or listening to songs. And yeah, this was the steps, the five steps that you can follow, and that I follow myself to learn English. And as you can see, my improvement in this language in just 1 year. And you should really immerse yourself. And yeah, these 5 steps will definitely help you, no matter what is your purpose in learning English. And just make sure it should be connected to you, and you should really want to learn it, not for just fun or anything like that. There should be a purpose that can motivate you time to time to learn a language. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and share this with your friends who are struggling to learn English, and help them. If you help your friends, that God will help you surely. And if you like this video, and if you want to see this kind of video more, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and smash the all notification button. So this is what for today, and I will say bye, and